Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove your Honda CR-V glove box. First, make sure your glove box is completely empty. Next, open the glove box door and look for two small stopper tabs, one on each upper side. Gently push the sides of the glove box inward, allowing these tabs to clear their stops. This will let the glove box swing down a bit further, revealing the next components. Now, look to the right side of the glove box. You'll see a small damper arm that controls how smoothly the door opens. Gently unclip this arm from its connection point. It usually just pops off with a little pressure. Once the damper arm is detached, the glove box will be able to swing down much more freely, giving you better access to the lower section. With the damper arm disconnected, focus on the bottom of the glove box. You'll find either two lower hinge pins or a few Phillips head screws holding it in place. If it has hinges, simply lift the glove box slightly to disengage them. If there are screws, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 or 3 screws. Once these are released, the entire glove box unit can be carefully pulled away. Putting your glove box back is just as simple. Start by aligning the 2 lower hinge pins or the screw holes, securing them first. Then, reconnect the damper arm to its clip on the right side, ensuring it's firmly attached. Finally, push the side stopper tabs back into their original positions by gently squeezing the glove box sides. Give it a test to make sure it opens and closes smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.